In professional door manufacturing factories, especially those serving export markets in large-scale production, edge banding quality, operational stability, and production efficiency are the key factors that determine long-term competitiveness and order retention. Understanding these demands, Michael 4CRB full-function edge banding machine is introduced as a dedicated solution for furniture factories and door manufacturers with high requirements for productivity, precision, and surface finishing quality. The core strength of this solution lies in its heavy-duty belt-driven conveyor system, which ensures stable processing of large-sized and heavy workpieces. This makes the machine especially suitable for wooden doors, industrial doors, and large-format panels. Throughout the entire operation, the workpiece is fully clamped and smoothly conveyed, resulting in straight, clean, and consistent edge banding lines, while effectively protecting the surface from marks or scratches commonly caused by traditional roller systems. The machine is equipped with dual glue pots as standard, ensuring consistent adhesive performance during continuous operation. An optional PUR glue system is available to meet strict export standards, significantly improving bonding strength, durability, and overall product quality. With a modern control system featuring frequency inverter, touchscreen interface, and Delta PLC, operators can easily monitor and control the entire edge banding process. Edge trimming and glue scraping units can be adjusted directly via the control panel, reducing setup time, minimizing manual adjustments, and ensuring consistency in mass production. After processing, finished products achieve sharp edge rounding, smooth corners, and a glossy surface finish, delivering high uniformity, an essential requirement for export-oriented door manufacturers. As the global market for wooden and industrial doors continues to rapidly grow over the next 5 years, demands for higher output capacity and stricter quality standards are becoming inevitable. The question is no longer whether to upgrade, but when. Will your factory follow the market or lead it? Contact us today to explore a professional edge banding solution tailored to your production needs.